My wife, a food researcher and a higher secondary teacher for last 27, 28 years, is very much interested in all locally produced farm products, processed products, because we want to promote Goan entrepreneurship and value addition to local crops in a big way. And we need to be self-sufficient. And besides, there is a lot of health benefit, nutritional benefit in these products. And they have got a lot of export potential. I have encouraged, ever since I was in Goa University and teaching a credit course in bio entrepreneurship and innovation, I introduced lots of bio entrepreneurs like Dr. Kurade to my students. And then I met a young entrepreneur, Paresh Shedgaonkar, and this is how the products on the table have reached us. Already a series of video has been done by Melinda Pereira, and now she is going to also do another series of videos on these fresh products from the same factory at Verna Industrial Estate. And she will explain to you in her own words in the subsequent videos. This is from Dr. Nandakumar Kamath, retired faculty, Goa University, and a person who has done food processing mission and policy for Goa government and lots of other policies also. So I have encouraged my wife Melinda Pereira to prepare purely for educational purposes. Nobody has told us to do these videos. Nobody asked us to do these videos. We have tasted and experienced the benefits of old Goa products. We were convinced that they are of top global quality, and that is how this series of videos to follow will inform you, educate you, enlighten you about the rich potential that Goa has got in value addition to these locally produced crops like Cocos nacifera or coconut we call Kalparuksha. These videos are being prepared on the eve of the auspicious and the most important ancient festival of Ganesh Chaturthi or Chavat. And most important is Mahaganapati is our family deity. So my wife said that why not in the name of our family deity or Kuladaivat. Let us now dedicate ourselves to this task of promotion of Made in Goa, Old Goa companies, series of products in a series of videos. So keep on watching. She will explain in the first video what is going to follow. What is the program today means in this series of videos, I can see now some products which are nicely arranged on the table. Can you go ahead and let me know exactly what are these products?
First and foremost, I would like to make it clear I'm an agriculture graduate and I promote Swadeshi products, or I promote all the local agri entrepreneurs. And I'm specially speaking today about Old Goa products. The first product which I'm going to speak about is Old Goa cold pressed coconut oil. As a food researcher, what I've seen is that for generations our ancestors have been using, our forefathers, our ancestors have been using coconut oil, and it is considered to be the best oil in the world today. Okay, so this is what I have to say. The next product is we are using extra virgin coconut oil. This is specially for baby massage now and both these products are extra virgin coconut oil. This is also extra virgin coconut oil. Now with Ganesh Chaturthi, we can fry our vades or vodulio with this particular oil. Next is coconut oil again. It is also cold pressed coconut oil. This can be used in your belly fat or this thing belly button, sorry, or in your navel. Now, what happens when you use such type of coconut oil? A drop, especially when your age starts increasing. That is, women once they they are over 40 years or 45 years, they reach their perimenopausal stage, and that is the time when the skin starts becoming dry, and just a drop or two, one or two drops in their navel or the belly button, it radiates their skin. It has to be done for a period of 21 days. And now this is an oil which is a natural relief oil. It is made with the extra virgin coconut oil. Now, what is the benefit of this particular coconut oil? In Goa, our ancestors or forefathers used to always use coconut oil, especially for body pain, and that was with garlic. They used to heat it with garlic and they used to make that oil. Now, this is a local formula which has been made, and this is specially advisable or specially suitable for women who work the whole day, and then they have a lot of leg pain. This is also suitable for teachers and chefs. So they could this. Now, yesterday my vacation has started and I was working from morning to evening and I had terrible body pain. So I used this and I found it very relaxing, very, it gave me a lot of relief.
So what is your plan now? You will be in a series of videos. The next video will be about the first product that you displayed.
Yes, yes.
Yes, go ahead. Yes, go ahead. I see lots of things displayed on the table and something, first product is in your hand, So this is coconut oil. So go ahead and educate us about what you have to say.
Okay, this is cold pressed coconut oil, which we Goans have been using. Now, have you seen the small hole? Can you see the small hole over here? It is a very, I would say, a friendly way of, using less amount of oil. Now, what they have done is, this is the best thing that they have done. So, I can use limited amount of oil. In Goa, we have been using raw coconut oil traditionally for generations. Now, have you seen this papad? Okay, once it is a Gaunti papad or locally made papad, and I use some amount of raw coconut oil. The other thing where we can use coconut oil is also roasted dry fish, and this is our typical human. Okay, so this is, once it is cooked, you switch off the flame and then you add raw coconut oil.
What is the benefit?
The benefit is when you use raw oil, it does not get deposited as fat inside your body. So I think our ancestors or forefathers were very intelligent and they taught us all this, and this has been passed down, this knowledge has been passed down from generations to generations.
We are going to focus on the second product of Old Goa Company.
Yes.
Go ahead.
This is extra virgin coconut oil. Now, I just give you my personal example. My son Nachiketas today is 19 years old. He has grown into a young and handsome boy. I used to massage him with coconut oil. And sometimes, on alternate days, I used to also use mustard seeds, heat coconut oil with mustard seeds and apply that on his body. So, the child starts getting a sort of bonding with the mother. Oxytocin gets released and, today he's a very happy child. He's a very handsome boy.
People don't know what is oxytocin.
Okay, oxytocin is called the love hormone, or it is called the bonding hormone. So when you massage the child with, this type of oil, it is a medium, I would say. The oxytocin of the child starts increasing and the child starts loving the mother very much. So it is a bonding hormone.
But why only child?
The child, yes, I would also speak about massage for the loved ones like the spouse. I think in the next video which I'm going to make, I'm going to speak about this hormones, the happiness hormones, that will be in the later this. Okay, so this oil which is there is, I told you already, during Ganesh Chaturthi, we are going to fry our vades or vadillo with this oil, which was also done by our forefathers. And then after you finish using the oil, Have you seen this? I have not disposed of the bottles in the municipality bins, but I made into something very valuable, and I keep these things in my showcase. I've used glass paint, so I think every person who uses this could convert this into value added products. So this is, and you could even what is that, display it wherever you want, in the kitchen, it could be displayed in the showcase or anywhere, or you could even gift it to people, so there is no need of disposing it off. This is how I've made use of my the coconut oil, Old Goa coconut oil bottles.
So in this video, what exactly you are going to tell us?
Okay, in this video, again, this is a small bottle of coconut oil, cooking coconut oil, and this oil I specially recommend to be used in the navel or belly button.
Bomli.
Bomli, what we call in Konkani or the vernacular language. And this is advisable especially for women who cross their 40 years or 45 years, and that is the time they slowly start losing their beauty. The skin starts becoming dry, the radiance goes away.
What is your age?
I think I would I wouldn't like to speak about my age, because people should guess from my looks, they should guess my age. Okay, anyway, so what I have to tell is, when you use it for 21 days at a stretch, maybe one or two drops of this coconut oil, slowly eventually you will start feeling the difference. The skin starts radiating again, the cheeks, they start glowing. And again, I would like to caution you, or just give you a small tip, that you have to discontinue for 4 or 5 days, because the body starts otherwise developing resistance, and then again you start with that drop of oil inside your belly button. Now there are people, when they have some stomach problems also, what they do is they put 1 or 2 drops of coconut oil, and they put hing or asafoetida. That is when they have complaints about stomach pain and all, that is the time. But I am talking about beauty. My stress is on beauty for women. And if you want to have a very glowing complexion or a radiant skin, then coconut oil inside your belly button, and you have to keep on, you massage that area around the belly, the navel or the belly button, so that it circulates and it percolates inside, or permeates or percolates inside, and the very next day you find it.
The problem is in Goa now, because of several factors, genetic and environmental, men also, married or unmarried, after 45 look old, and even the so-called handsome males, they also have the same issues as pretty, beautiful women, and both of them, male and female, they also have bomli or navel. So why this is specifically you are asking that only women should apply and not males who are aging fast?
No, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Yes, males can also apply. It's not that they can't, but we women are very particular about our beauty, and I don't think so any woman wants to look old, or she wants her beauty to fade away. So if you want to have an everlasting beauty, or everlasting complexion, then there are certain things which you have to do. I think males, not all males are particular, or they are concerned about their looks, but women, yes, they are very much, and I don't think so even during their menopause time they would like to look ugly. So perimenopausal women, menopausal women need to use this oil in their navel.
So what is the reference or source of your information that in Goa people used to apply this coconut oil in that particular our birthmark, that is the navel, because the umbilical cord is attached to it, and for 9 months and 9 days,
yes,
all the feed is given through the vascular network to the fetus from that particular, and at that particular point. So
yes,
what is the source of your information?
Yeah, we have been doing this traditionally. I still remember my mother or my father, they used to, pour coconut oil in my ears. I
I'm
remember.
talking about navel.
Okay, not only this thing, even in the eyes and the navel. This was done when we were young.
I mean, what
especially.
is the source of information? Where, even in Goa, where it is being used now, and what is the effect?
Yeah, it is being used even by grannies today, especially when you have stomach pain. I told you already in this thing that they use hing, that is asafoetida, and hing inside the belly button along with the oil. It has to be slightly heated. It has to be lukewarm. Along with the hing, it has to be applied and poured inside your belly button.
For how long? You have to lie down.
Yes, you have to lie down in the sleeping position, and it has to be poured. And you keep on, massaging, and keep on, there should be circulation of whatever the blood or whatever inside, and the oil has to go inside the inside your system.
Under what circumstances this has to be done? This application of the coconut oil to belly button.
You can do it in the afternoon after.
Under what circumstances? Disease or whatever pain? What circumstances?
No, I already told you, when there is stomach pain, when you have colic-like pain, gas, bloating, that is the time you have to do it. But you can do it in the afternoon or before going to bed at night. You can apply and you go to bed.
What is going to be your next video?
Okay, my next video is about this natural relief oil, and I'm going to speak at length about it, why it has to be used.
Video, you said that you are going to speak at length about this product that you are holding in hand. So go ahead.
This is Old Goa Natural Relief Oil. Now, what is the benefit of this particular natural relief oil? It is specially for housewives or for people who stand the whole day. Like you have teachers, you have professors, you have nurses, you have chefs who stand the whole day, and after some time you will find that the neck area starts paining, the back area starts paining, and the legs also start paining. Now what happens is that there are three things which we have to remember when you apply this oil. One is, you have to massage your body with this oil, and when you massage, preferably you tell somebody else to do it. It could be your spouse or someone in the family who really loves you. Now what is the benefit? When I do it, I may not get the same effect because of oxytocin, which is a bonding hormone or a love hormone. So the oil along with your love hormone or your happiness hormone, that is serotonin, dopamine, which are released when you give massage, you completely get relieved and you have a good night's sleep. Yesterday I did it on my own self. I was working for 5 hours continuously. I did not even have my breakfast, and once there is vacation, I have to literally slog. So I was really having bad backache. So I applied this at night and I went to sleep, and when I woke up in the morning, I was completely fresh. The pain had vanished, and everything was back to square one. So this is the oil which I recommend, that is natural relief oil, especially for people who stand the whole day. Like you have civil engineers, you have civil supervisors, they also have to stand and work the whole day. So this has to be applied on the neck region, the back region.
Is that all?
Yeah. So
what you have to say, because now you are holding a very nice looking bottle with a golden crown and all.
Yes.
Overall, what is your opinion about the way all these products are designed, packaging especially, of Old Goa company?
The packaging is beautiful, as I already told you in my earlier that you don't have to dispose it off in the dustbin after you can make something out of it. Okay, you can use it for a number of beauty, aesthetic, artifacts, I would say. You can anything you can do. I just gave you one example about this one, like for this bottle, I can make something out of this bottle also. I can creatively what is that? Use it creatively for some creative purpose.
So I hope that you have so far covered all other products, and now you are going to demonstrate something and talk about something which is very ancient, integral part of our culture, integral part of our sodium potassium pump or balance, very essential, that is the salt. A product which is made from salt produced in Goa, Agrache meat, Goinche. So I am curious to know exactly what are these products, bath salt, ocean salt, that you are talking, which is a absolutely innovative idea by my friend Paresh Shetgaonkar. I credit him, and even the Chief Minister of Goa has remarked about it. The Goa State Biodiversity Board is also very much interested in promotion of the local salt industry and local salt entrepreneurship, and increase existing employment and create new employment. And I believe the product that you are going to show is a sort of a indicator of what is possible with Goinche Agrache meat in the coming years, right?
Yes.
So what are these products, please?
Yeah, I'm
Because-
also encouraging salt production or salt producers in Goa and also agri entrepreneurs in Goa. We have been producing salt for around 2000 years in Goa, and our salt used to be exported. In the past, Dr. Irene Furtado, late Dr. Irene Furtado, has worked on the local salt. Dr. Savita Kerkar has also worked on it, and she has also shown, Dr. Savita Kerkar, that the iodine content in local salt, that is Gaunti meat, is comparable to the fortified salt, and that is why we are using only local salt or Gaunti meat in our house. That is, for the last 27 years I've been married, and we are using only that salt in our house. My husband has also written a lot about this local salt production in Goa, and personally I've been to advocate Govind Usno Bobo's salt pan in Nirla, and I have seen how he produces salt. So let me start with this particular two products, that is the Old Goa product of local salt. In the olden days, I remember when we were very young, we used to go to the beach and we used to dip our legs and we used to play in the salty water. Now it may not be possible, and once you have this particular product in your house, you can just put this 3 to 4 tablespoons of this in water, in a tub of water, and you get the same effect which you get on the Goan beaches. Like you go to any of the beaches, Baga Beach, Kalangut Beach, and the same effect. Now what happens is that when you work the whole day, I already spoke to you about the professions like teaching profession, you have nurses, you have civil engineers, civil supervisors, chefs, housewives, especially I'm talking about housewives or household managers who work the whole day and the legs start aching. So what they have to do, what you have to do is just take 3 to 4 tablespoons of salt in lukewarm water and put your legs, they have to be dipped inside the water for 1 hour. Once you do that, your pain, everything goes away. But if you also have, let us say, knee pain, when you have knee pain, you have to dip your legs up to the knees in a bucket full of water. Same thing again, maybe 4 to 5 tablespoons of that particular this particular salt in lukewarm water, and you have to dip your legs. Now this was actually advised to me or told to me by a Goan doctor who is working in America. So if you are a diabetic patient, he said, if you are a diabetic patient and you have such type of aching legs, the best thing is dip your legs in salt water, which you can do at home because this particular product is already available in the market. So people may not be knowing, Goan should know about this particular product. And you will see that within 1 hour, everything, all the pain, everything just vanishes away. You will not even believe that you had pain. It goes to that extent. And not only that, you don't have to add salt the second day or the third day. 3 to 4 days, you can use the same water. You can use that particular water where you have added salt, this salt. You can use it for 3 to 4 days. And after that, if you want, you can dispose or add maybe a tablespoon of more salt, and you can continue using that water. So this is the product. It is for bath as well as when you have whole body pain, or for foot when your feet start aching.